Imagine this. You're earning 50, 500 hours, even 1,000 a day, completely passively. While you're jet setting in business class, partying on yachts, or relaxing in luxury, your money is working for you, not 24/7. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. This video will show you exactly how to achieve financial freedom, how to earn money passively, and live the life you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to unlock a new way of living, then keep watching. Let's be real. Life isn't getting any easier. Prices are skyrocketing, inflation is biting, and your paycheck just isn't cutting it. You're here because you want more freedom, more time, and more options. And the good news? Changing your financial future is simpler than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make $50 to $500 a day passively. No tricks, no scams, and no experience required. Let's dive into the game changer, copy trading. So, what's copy trading? In simple terms, copy trading is like outsourcing your investments to experts. You link your trading account to professional traders, and every trade they make is automatically replicated on your account. No charts, no analysis, no late nights figuring out strategies. It's all done for you. You're essentially turning their expertise into your profit. All you do is sit back, relax, and watch your wealth grow. The best part? You can start with as little as $50 and grow your account over time. You're probably wondering, why would expert traders let others copy their trades? What's in it for them? Here's the deal. It's a win-win situation. Traders earn extra income when people copy their trades. For them, there's no additional effort. It's the same amount of work whether one person or 1,000 people copy their trades. And for investors, it's a no-brainer because it allows you to benefit from their expertise without lifting a finger. Hundreds of thousands of people worldwide are already using this system. They're making real money, paying off debts, and even quitting their 9-to-5 jobs. Now, let's talk about safety. Copy trading is completely transparent and puts you in control. You're in charge. You can start, stop, add, or withdraw funds anytime. No unrealistic promises. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart, steady growth. Proven track records. You can review a trader's performance history before deciding to copy them. With platforms designed for beginners, you're not taking blind risks. You're making informed decisions based on real data. Starting copy trading is incredibly simple. Here's what you need to do. Open a trading account. Fund your account. Start with as little as $50 or invest more for higher potential returns. Choose a trader. Look for someone with a consistent track record and good reviews. Click Copy. From that moment on, every trade they make will automatically mirror in your account. It's that simple. You can have everything set up in less than 5 minutes. Still feeling unsure? What if I lose money? What if I don't know enough? These are common concerns, but the system is designed for anyone, regardless of experience or technical know-how. You don't need to be an expert. Just let the experts do the work for you. So, what's stopping you? While others are already making 50, 500, or more per day, you're just one step away from joining them. Take control of your future. Click the link in the description, start your trading account, and let your money work for you. The time to act is now. Don't wait any longer to start living the life of your dreams.